So in the start of a new week, October 5th, 2015, reminder of Chromebook paperwork. The dates to go one-to-one's getting closer. You don't want to wait in the long line. Science Olympiad announcement for Mrs. Byrne. If you're interested in Science Olympiad, go see her. After you preview the slideshow, be sure to check your email. You got some feedback, and also check your grades to make sure you're turning things in. Google Ninja tips. I have an infographic on Classroom. If you go to the About tab, you get power search tips with a Google infographic. And then I also introduce you and give you some time at the end of the period to try the Google a Day challenge and test your Ninja skills. We've seen this plan before. Know the characteristics of life, how difficult it is to define life, and using Google. Because you finally get a test. Assignment number 9 on Classroom is a vocabulary test, and when you read the instructions, make sure you pay attention. There's a 7th grade or at standard version and a high school above standard version, and based on the grade you want to pick the right one to master. Then we also plant plants. You're going to plant 4 seeds: a radish, a fast plant, a corn seed, and a lima bean. And there's that Google a Day I mentioned earlier. And also, we're going to take a couple minutes right at the end to search for what living things need to survive. It's going to become part of our growing system. Tuesday, October 6th. Essential question, actually should be a guiding question. What do all things need to survive? And then we're going to head right in to trying to answer that question. Before we do, an app of interest, Sketch, free app. If you're an Evernote person, it integrates with Evernote. Great way to diagram and label images. Skip over the key points, the know, understands, and do's, because we've seen them so many times by now. And then I ask you, step number 1, did you take a quiz yet? We want to make sure everybody gets a chance to take their quiz. Number 2, did you get a chance to plant plants yesterday? If not, we'll do that today as well. We're going to review classroom turn-in protocol because too many students are simply forgetting how to mark us down or turn things in, and it's very simple. You're just not following through. So we review that in class and practice. And then number 7, assignment number 7, we review in order to help make sure you're meeting all the standards. October 7th, on our same question, I have you open up assignment number 8, and if you need to, unsubmit it if you've already submitted it in order to make some edits. Chromebook paperwork reminder, Science Olympiad reminder, and an ASB report from the day. Our plan: know the requirements of life, understand how many ways organisms get the requirements of life, still using Google effectively. We've got more search to do. And then, can you illustrate our plant growing system and identify how life requirements are met, which is basically what our plan's about. We're going to go back to assignment number 8, is Fire Alive, and make some highlights. We're going to highlight our claim red, our support or the characteristics yellow, and then our explanations of those green, to ensure that we are meeting everything we need to do well on this assignment. Then we move into our search results from yesterday, what living things need to survive. We're going to identify those because I'm going to have you go to our plant growing system where we put the seeds yesterday and the day before, and diagram how that is providing any of those requirements. And if it's not requiring any, we need to make sure we figure out how our plants are going to get those with our help. And that was the period. All right, October 8th, Thursday, Chromebook paperwork reminder, and a Chromebook rumor Mr. Abels asked all of us teachers to talk about. That you will be getting one-to-one Chromebooks. There will not be any available in the classroom, so you need to get them. Without them, I don't know how you're going to attend school. And then a reminder, did you turn in number 8 from yesterday? Knowing the requirements of life is the plan again for our know, understand, and do's. They didn't change from yesterday. You're going to continue diagramming plant systems. Some of you need more time. Once that's complete, we are going to create, share, and collaborate on plant system procedures. You and and a group of your choice are going to write up how you built the growing system and tie it back to those diagrams so we can save it for later. Friday, October 9th. Same reminder, same rumor review. You get an opportunity to vote for senators in class today. There's a link to a quiz that we send in your email. We'll take time to watch 2 student videos and then give you a chance to vote on your senators. Same plan in terms of know, understand, and do. And our agenda, if you haven't finished diagramming your plant systems, do that, and then spend the rest of your time continuing to create, share, and collaborate on your plant system procedures. Do a good job writing that up. We talk about how it's important that if we sent this anywhere else in the world, that somebody could pick it up. If they need to translate it to a different language, that's fine, but they should still be able to follow the procedure. If not, it's not high enough quality work, and it would be pointless in the science world. And then we're going to digitize your illustrations. The fact that you drew them on paper, nowadays we need things digital to be shareable. We use either your phones or tablets or Chromebook cameras to take pictures of those and get them embedded in a document so we don't lose them.